Good morning everyone. I hope you all are fit and fine at your homes. Welcome back to English class. So children, as in the last class we have learned about Helen Keller. Yes children, we have learned about Helen Keller. So children, yes, in the last class we have learned about Helen Keller. Yes children, a girl who was not able to see and hear. Yes children, so the last class we have discussed this, so only last para has left. Yes children, so before moving to that, let's recall what we have learned in the last class. Yes, so we have learned that she was not able to hear and able to see anything. So some people around them has said that why don't you just send her away somewhere. Yes, but her mother, she disagreed with them and she said that Helen was a smart girl. Yes, Helen was a smart girl. She was wild and often angry. Who children? Yes, Helen Keller. Because of his disabilities, she was wild and often angry. So Helen was born in Alabama in the summer of 1880. Yes. So as we all know children that Helen could not hear or see after the illness. Yes. So Miss Sullivan. So who is Miss Sullivan children? Yes, tell me. So Miss Sullivan कौन थे? Miss Sullivan is a teacher who helped Helen by making letters with special hand signs. Yes. So Helen understood that water meant something wet and running over her hand. So children, तो मैंने आपको क्या किया था, जो स्पेशल जो हैंड साइंस हैं वो भी मैंने आपको पिक्स दिखाए थे कि वो किस तरह से जो दिखाई नहीं देता जिन बच्चों को सुनाई नहीं देता वो किस तरह से वर्ड्स को पढ़ना और लिखना सीखते हैं. यस, मैंने आपको दिखाया था वो जो स्पेशल साइंस वो क्या करते हैं, टच करके उन्हें फील करके उन्हें क्या करते हैं, वो सीखते हैं. यस बच्चों, तो आपने देखा होगा. लेट मी शो यू वन मोर टाइम. Yes children, here you can see children like this. Helen understood that. Yes, like this children, Helen also learn how to read and how to write. Yes, Helen understood that water meant something wet and running over her hand. Yes, so Miss Sullivan. So children, Miss Sullivan helped Helen by making letters with special hand signs like you can see in this picture. Yes children, so Helen understood that water meant something wet and running over her hand. So Helen's mother said these words. Yes children, like she was talking about her daughter. Yes, so because Helen was never the same after her illness, she was not while she was wild and she was often very angry. Yes children, so Miss Sullivan, how was Miss Sullivan children? Miss Sullivan was strict but very kind person. Yes, so Helen understood that words were the most important things in the world. Yes, तो देखो बच्चों, जो इंसान को सुनाई नहीं देता, दिखाई नहीं देता, वो कुछ बोल ही नहीं पाता. सो कम्युनिकेशन इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट चिल्ड्रन. यस, कम्युनिकेशन इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. अब देखो हम बात कर सकते हैं, अपने जज्बात जाहिर कर सकते हैं. यस, हम जो भी हम चाहें हम बोल सकते हैं. अगर दिखाई नहीं देता हो, सुनाई नहीं देता हो, इट्स वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट. यस चिल्ड्रन, सो ही एंड शी अंडरस्टूड that words were the most important things in the world. Isn't it children? Do you think that words are not important or important? Tell me, discuss with me. Yes, words are very important children. Yes, Helen's word would blossom because she would be able to understand and communicate. Now she is able to understand the things and now she is able to communicate with others. Yes children, so the teacher Miss Sullivan brought the light of knowledge into Helen's mind and brought the light of love into her heart. Yes, she is like एक फरिश्ते का काम किया, एक वेल विशर थी वो. Yes, उसने जो मिस सुलिवन ने क्या किया, हेलन की ज़िंदगी में एक रोशनी डाली, एक उजाला लेके आई वो. यस, उन्हें उसको कम्युनिकेट करना सिखाया, पढ़ना सिखाया, लिखना सिखाया. As children, now she is able to understand the things that the water is wet and it's running over her hand. She learned some new words, pit pat some verbs. Yes, and she understood the words were the most important things in the world. Yes, so Helen's word would blossom because she would be able to understand and now she is able to communicate. Yes, so children, Continue the story. Okay, so we have discussed that her teacher made Helen put her hand into running water. Then she spelled water. As suddenly Helen understood that water meant something wet running over her hand, and she understood that words were the most important things in the world. Words would tell her everything she wanted to know. As students, so we have discussed this. Yes. So now Helen learned 30 words. So children, do you know Helen learned 30 words that day, like mother, father, sister, teacher were among them. Words that were to make the word blossom of her. It would have been difficult to find a happier child than Helen as she lay in her bed at close of that eventful day. So बच्चों, जब उसने कितने वर्ड सीखे, 30 डेज देखे, तो उससे ज़्यादा खुश पूरी दुनिया में उस दिन कोई नहीं था. यस, उससे ज़्यादा खुश पूरे वर्ल्ड में कोई नहीं था. यस, क्योंकि वो बहुत खुश थी उस दिन, क्योंकि उसने 30 डेज 30 लेटर्स सीखे. मदर, फादर, सिस्टर, टीचर. यस, बहुत सारे वर्ड्स क्या किए उसने उस दिन सीखे, तो बहुत ज़्यादा खुश थी. उससे ज़्यादा खुश इस दुनिया में उस दिन कोई नहीं था. Yes, it would have been difficult to find a happier child than Helen as she lay in her bed at the close of that eventful day. She thought about the joys it had brought her, and for the first time longed for a new day to come. By the end of August, in 6 short months, Helen knew 625 words. By the time she was 16, Helen could speak well enough to go to college. Helen Keller, the little girl, became one of history's most famous women. She traveled around the world, speaking in more than 25 countries in the 5 major continents. Wherever she went, she brought new courage to millions of people. See children, yes, this is very inspiring story. yes, एक क्या है बच्चों, एक बहुत ही इंस्पायरिंग स्टोरी है. एक ऐसा बच्चा जो बोल नहीं पाता था, जो सीख नहीं पाता था, जो सुन नहीं पाता था, उसने क्या किया, धीरे धीरे मिस सुलिवन की हेल्प से कुछ वर्ड्स सीखे. फिर ऐसे ही करते करते उसने क्या किए, 30 वर्ड्स सीखे. फिर ऐसे ही करते करते उसने 625 वर्ड्स क्या किया बच्चों, हेलन केलर ने सीखा. फिर आपको पता है जब वो 16 ईयर की हुई तो हेलन कुड स्पीक वेल इनफ टू गो टू कॉलेज. यस चिल्ड्रन, जब हेलन केलर जब 16 ईयर्स की हुई तो तब वो उसको इतना वो बोलना सीख गई थी कि वो इजीली वो कॉलेज जा सके. तो उसने कॉलेज कंप्लीट किया. देन हेलन कुड स्पीक वेल इनफ टू गो टू कॉलेज. देन हेलन केलर द लिटिल गर्ल बिकम वन ऑफ हिस्ट्रीज मोस्ट फेमस वुमन. तो बच्चों देखो, आप सोच सकते थे, डू यू थिंक दैट हेलन कुड अचीव दिस लेवल चिल्ड्रन, मीन्स अचीव सो मच इन हिज लाइफ, इन हर लाइफ? नो चिल्ड्रन, यस, हमने नहीं सोचा था. सो चिल्ड्रन, आपने सोचा था कि हेलन इतना कुछ कर पाएगी, यस, इतना बड़े होकर इतना फेमस हो जाएगी, यस, इतने वर्ड सीख पाएगी? नो, यस चिल्ड्रन, वी कुड नॉट थिंक दैट. यस, हमने नहीं सोचा था. Yes, so children, what here see, it is very encouraging story. Yes, very inspiring story. She encouraged people. Yes, she encouraged such people who are not able to see or able to hear. Yes, children, जो देख नहीं पाते, जो सुन नहीं पाते, उसने क्या किया, उनको इनकरेज किया पढ़ने के लिए, इनकरेज किया लिखने के लिए, कि ताकि वो भी कुछ बन सकते हैं. Yes, children, it's a very inspiring story. Here children see, आगे चलकर जब वो 16 ईयर की हुई हेलन, तो उसने क्या किया, कॉलेज जाने के लिए वो रेडी थी. यस, वो बोल पाती थी. हेलन केलर द लिटिल गर्ल बिकम वन ऑफ हिस्ट्रीज मोस्ट फेमस वुमन. वो क्या हो गई, एक वन ऑफ द मोस्ट फेमस वुमन हो गई. शी ट्रैवल अराउंड द वर्ल्ड, स्पीकिंग इन मोर देन 25 कंट्रीज इन द 5 मेजर कंटिनेंट्स. वेरेवर शी वेंट शी ब्रॉट न्यू करेज टू मिलियंस ऑफ पीपल. यस, यस स्टूडेंट्स, सो सी, वो जब भी उसने क्या किया, बहुत सारे लैंग्वेजेस सीखे. 25 कंट्रीज़ में जाके क्या किया, वहाँ पे बोला, वहाँ पे स्पीक इन मोर देन 25 कंट्रीज इन द 5 मेजर कंटिनेंट्स. अपनी कहानी बताई है, दूसरा उनको इनकरेज किया. यस, so she brought new courage to millions of people. It's a very inspiring story. Yes, despite of being not able to see or not able to hear, yes, despite of this, she able to learn. Yes, she able to learn and read, and she brought a new courage to millions of people, isn't it, children? So the teacher, Miss Sullivan, brought the light of knowledge into Helen's mind and brought the light of love into her heart, isn't it, children? So this is very inspiring story. We should learn from this. Yes, that we can achieve anything and everything in life. Yes, children. So here, children, see, by the end of the August, what happened? Do you know? In a 6 short months, only in 6 short months, children, Helen knew 625 words. By the time she was only 16, Helen could speak well enough to go to college. Then Helen Keller, the little girl, children, who not able to see proper, who not able to see, who not able to hear. Yes, children, do you know what happened with her? Yes, she became one of history's most famous women. Yes, so she traveled around the world speaking in more than 25 countries in the 5 major continents. So wherever she went, she brought new courage to millions of people. Yes, हमें इस लेसन से हमें सीखना चाहिए बच्चों कि हमें कभी भी हार नहीं माननी चाहिए, हमें कोशिश करनी चाहिए. अगर हम कुछ कोशिश करेंगे तो डेफिनेटली वी अचीव समथिंग इन अवर लाइफ. यस, सो चिल्ड्रन, दिस इज़ वेरी इंस्पायरिंग स्टोरी. हमें सब इस स्टोरी से हमें इंस्पायर होना चाहिए और हमें कुछ सीखना चाहिए हेलन केलर से. यस, so children, I hope you understood this. I hope you getting my point, you understood this chapter. Yes, so children, today the chapter, the most important day is over. Yes, completed. Yes, so children, the next we will discuss in next class. Okay, in the next class we will discuss the evaluate part of this chapter. Okay, so children, now the chapter is completed here. Okay, the next we will continue in our next class. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Bye bye.